Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Thursday 20 February 2025. 19 February 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 5, number 24 and number 41. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Lunchtime prediction number 5, number 17, number 34, number 27, number 40, booster number 16. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number first number 3, number 10, number 23, number 39, number 42, booster number 4. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.